wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with a quick little update because I've done a couple videos now talking about what is going to happen with Mented, and I guess we now have an answer. So if you guys would like to know more, let's go. One thing about it, baby, if I so happen to miss one of these announcements from these brands, y'all gonna make sure I see it, okay? And if I don't directly get back to you to let you know that I saw you letting me know to see it, I'm letting you know right now I saw your text. Appreciate you. Okay, so earlier I think I was talking about like a kind of what happened to Mented. I went looking for it and I found an old article that was saying that they had gotten new investment money. So maybe they are, rebranding, going through the process, those growing pains. Some other people said, I don't think so, because one of the co-owners of Mented did actually leave Mented. She went on to work for another beauty brand, and then the owner that was left, even though she was still posting online, it was kind of like slowing down on Mented posts. Mented seemed as if it was kind of phased. If you hear something in the background, that is my dishwasher. Mented had kind of seemed like it was phasing out of stores. Ulta, you can't really pick up much of it anymore, and the other retailers where it's available. So finally, the Mented page did post an announcement to kind of just let everyone know what is going on. I will have it posted on the screen right here, but it says, wrong one. New beginnings. Over the past few months, Mented Cosmetics has been on a journey, one marked by both triumphs and challenges. Like any business, we've encountered our fair share of ups and downs along the way. Through it all, one thing has remained constant: the unwavering support and loyalty of our incredible customers. Your belief in our brand, your enthusiasm for our products, and your commitment to our mission have been the guiding lights that have led us through even the darkest of times. For that, I am endlessly grateful. It is with immense joy and gratitude that I share some exciting news with you all today. Mented Cosmetics is embarking on a new chapter, one filled with fresh opportunities, renewed energy, the boundless potential. I am thrilled to announce that the Mented brand has been acquired by West Lane Capital Partners and will be joining the Blooming Brands portfolio, a West Lane subsidiary. This partnership promises to elevate our brand to new heights and ensure that Mented continues to thrive for years to come. The next slide, which I will also have posted here, says, again, new beginnings. The Blooming Brands Group is highly regarded for its wide range of high-quality products and brands in the beauty and personal care space. While we may have faced some business challenges along the way, I want to reassure you that our commitment to delivering high-quality, inclusive beauty products has never wavered. With the Blooming Brands team by our side, we are determined than ever to fulfill our promise of offering cosmetics that celebrate and empower every shade of beauty. As we prepare for our relaunch this summer, I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your unwavering support has been the cornerstone of our success, and it is because of you that we have the opportunity to begin this exciting new chapter. We will continue to keep you updated as we move closer to our relaunch. With love and gratitude, KJ, co-founder, Mented Cosmetics. So there you have it. Now, again, that article that I found seemed like it was written like 2022. So I'm not sure what happened with that. Well, she did say, challenges, stuff like that. And it has been hard since the pandemic. Also, I believe when that article was written, they were still both founders there. So now it is just KJ. So they have been purchased by a bigger brand, and I was kind of right in where I thought they might be going, that they are like rebranding, they're relaunching. I believe the website at the time that I had made that video said coming soon, or we're working on it, something like that, because you couldn't really purchase anything on the website either. So they are rebranding under the company that purchased them. And I know a lot of people might see that as good or bad, because I started going through the comments and it seemed like the biggest thing that I saw in the comments were people saying, okay, but don't change the products. Good for you, yay. It's thankfully it's not a like going out of business announcement, but don't change the products, okay? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And that is something that tends to happen when brands are purchased by another company. And especially because it's a brand that came out of the gate geared towards women of color. Don't change my favorite lip liner. Don't change my favorite bronzer. None of that. If it does change, I'm kind of curious to see how that's going to go. So that's kind of like the bad way. It being purchased by another company could affect the brand, but in a good way. Let's say none of that happens. Let's say the products don't change as far as, you know, how it works, how it looks on your face, maybe the quality gets even better for Mented, right? Let's say none of that happens, products don't change. Would that not be a good thing for them? You know, being acquired by a brand that can help it as far as production, as far as quality, as far as reach, where you're available to purchase Mented, because I don't, did they sell overseas before? A lot of black owned brands unfortunately can't afford to, you know, sell in the UK, sell in really any other continent other than North America. So maybe it'll help them. I am curious to see how KJ is going to stay on with the company, you know, see what her role is going to be, because someone in the comments did say, does this mean that you're no longer a black owned brand? All of these black owned brands are being bought out intentionally. And they responded, hey there, good question. Ownership has changed, yes, but our commitment to high quality formulas and shades hasn't. And this is KJ speaking, still here leading the charge. We'll do an IG live soon to address more of these concerns in the coming weeks. So yes, it is not a black owned brand anymore. And I know just hearing that, a lot of people are gonna be like, no, I am trying to support black owned brands. But KJ, that is who was answering the comments, who was responding to the comments section, she is still going to be a part of the brand. You know, I'm pretty sure she is still going to be playing the same role as far as the products they are going to bring out moving forward and the products that they already had. So, you know, I know like the first thing to do is to jump to be like, you know, especially with how the world is going right now, I feel like people's first thing to do with anything nowadays is to just jump right to the negativity, right to the, well, what if this doesn't work? What if that doesn't work? Well, what if this happens? What if that happens? But you know, like, what if we look at it on the bright side? What if we just see how this is going to go? You know, let's just give it a moment, because at least it's still here. I mean, honestly, truly, at least the brand isn't shutting down. And it's funny because in the which brand was it, in the Beauty Bakery video, when she announced that, you know, she's closing the brand down because it's just not her calling anymore, a lot of the comments I received were, well, why don't you just sell it? Why didn't you sell it? If you don't feel like it's something that you want to do anymore, why don't you sell it to someone else so that the customers, the people who supported you, the people who gave you their money, can still have the products that they liked? But if they had sold it, it probably wouldn't have been sold to someone that would make it still be a black owned brand. So now here we have a brand that was sold, that people did want to continue going on, and it's like, are you not going to purchase the products that you wanted to still be available because it's not black owned anymore? And I'm saying that based on, you know, the assumption that the products aren't going to change. If the products change, then it, you know, it makes sense. Like, it's not black owned anymore. They don't make the products that you liked anymore. So what is the point of supporting it? But again, I'm saying, if we're going off the assumption that products do not change, if it's the same products that you still liked and they still work for you, we just gonna leave it hanging there. So that is just a quick little update on what is going on with Mented Cosmetics. I'm at least happy to say that it's not I am not making another video in the first 4 months of 2024 announcing that a black owned brand is going out of business. So let me know your thoughts on what is happening with Mented in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.